here we are to talk about our PRO SlimCat Patch Cords series. We were really inspired by the market on this product. Some of the things that we noticed that was happening in the field was this increase of use of racks in our market, and that was really driven by the increase in density of electronics themselves. We have so many more devices. People are literally tied to the internet, their communication, their personal media that all these platforms have allowed us to have. And so the wiring of that's required is becoming ever more complicated. So you know that led to us developing this slim patch cord, which we've trademarked as SlimCat.
Yeah. So
how does it help the professional systems tech?
Very thin cable, 3.9 millimeter in diameter, and what that means is that you can get more cabling around your rack, and that means that better airflow and also more equipment.
We've got really impressive Cat 6, very narrow, that if you're trying to bundle lots of network cables into an installation, with traditional Cat 6 you can end up with quite a thick bundle, but with the Kordz series you can get a lot more cables into a much narrower space.
The other thing is we also have a very low, what we call operational depth, and by operational depth we mean the space behind the cable that you need in order for it not to break the cable in terms of its bend radius. And the key thing that allows us to do this for the integrator is because we're using a very unique material on the latch, and that allows that latch to kind of bend 3,000 times like this, so that it doesn't break. And because we have this latch, therefore we don't need a boot to protect the latch, and therefore we can kind of really squeeze it all down. And we also reduce the size of the connector down as well, so that we can really kind of get that tightness. And kind of what integrators really love is, you know, how tight it can be and how flush against the panel it can be, and it just helps them quite a lot. And especially for, you know, a lot of the integrators that we speak to, they take a lot of pride in their work. And when they take a lot of pride in their work, they want everything to look pretty. And so they want to use a very product that allows them to look good in front of their customers.
But the connector is patented.
Yeah.
So you know we have considered the design of it to make sure that you know the unique features, the use, the handling, the longevity, all of that has been designed in to make sure that it functions really well.
In the end, it comes in 8 different colors, 16 different lengths.
Yep.
And I remember you and I having very, very, very many conversations about the number. And in the end, I had to trust you. And then we did it in the end. But in the end, that's what people love. They love the customizations that they can have, and allow them to really build a lot of systems using our products, and making it look really, really good.
Multiple features that you also get with their cables is how slim they are. For example, that's their Cat Patch Cord. Very slim cable, wonderful for organizing a rack that actually looks good. Come in multiple different lengths. They've thought of everything. Whether you're thinking about terminating it yourself or buying it ready, they always have good options.
Yeah, so we've gone through some of the key benefits. Obviously increased airflow, the way the cable is manufactured, increases its flexibility, increases its noise rejection because of that bonded jacketing that we're doing. All the colors for identification, PoE++ support, Cat 6. Every product is individually tested for performance at multiple stages of manufacture, so that you get that Kordz reliability and lifetime guarantee. One additional thing I'd like to talk about, especially at ISE, is our now multi-award winning belt pack. It's a patent pending packaging solution that we have come up with, which is very unique to the integration industry. These products we're selling in considerable quantity now, and we really wanted to look at a way to cost down the product, but also be considerate of the environment, the impacts. So we have come up with this engineered paper-based 100% recyclable product, which also has a lot of ergonomic features, which is why it comes in a belt.
So from our technician's point of view, one of the things we love is the belt pack. Nobody wants to be throwing plastic in the bin, nobody wants to be wasting time unwrapping things. I love retail packaged products, they're great for retail, but for my guys on their van, the belt pack's amazing. It's an eco-friendly, but it's fast. They grab one off the van, they've got multiple cables right there. They're easy to refresh in the morning when they're loading a van, they're easy to get out, they're easy to work with on the field, it's less rubbish to dispose of. So belt pack just makes things quicker for us, and we know we're being responsible.
You know, we're with you, coming from the background of integration, it's important that I feel, that the manufacturers understand these things. You have anything to add?
No, just we really enjoy it when people come and tell us our products really fix some of their day-to-day problems, and that gives us pride and that gives us energy, and that's kind of what we want to continue doing.
Yeah. High five. I think we're done. So, no.
Yeah, we're done.
Yeah.
No more. That's it.
Yeah.